right, this is today we're going to learn the colors in Hmong and in English. Lúc đó nè, bé giờ ta cá lọc cờ hay lùm mong cho cho con. Today we are learning Hmong in colors and then we translate in English in colors. So, the first one is pink. Pink is lia dog. Red is lia. Yellow is da. Green is jua. Blue is sia. Purple is pancha. Brown is cafe. Black is dew. White is dove. Now I'm going to read Hmong. Lia dove, Lia, da, jua, sia, pancha, cafe, do, dove. And then I'm going to read Hmong and translate into English. Lia dove is pink. Lia is red. Da is yellow. Jua is green. Sia is blue. Pancha is purple. Cafe is brown. Dew is black. White is dull. Dull is white. Okay. For example, you would say, I have a pink rose. That means กูมั่วอีลูป่าชัวบลายเลียดา And I have a red pen. กูมั่วอีตูโซเลีย